In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find tags in Freshsales CRM. We'll walk through the process of adding tags to your contacts, making your CRM experience much more organized and efficient. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Freshsales website. Launch your preferred web browser and type in the Freshsales URL. You'll be greeted with the home page where you can access all their CRM tools. Once you're there, take a glance at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. If you're already well versed with Freshsales, this will be second nature to you. But every journey starts with this important little step. Now that you've clicked on Login, you'll see a screen where you're prompted to enter your email information. Carefully type in your registered email address and proceed to complete the sign-in process. Ensure that all your login details are correct to avoid any access issues. It's always a good idea to keep a secure record of your login credentials to avoid these frustrating moments. Once you're inside your Freshsales account, your next stop is the Contacts section. You'll find it conveniently located in the left panel of your dashboard. Just click on Contacts, and you'll be directed to a page listing all your existing contacts. This panel is your gateway to accessing and managing all the relationships you're nurturing through Freshsales. Next, you'll want to highlight the specific contacts you wish to tag. Simply scan through your contacts list and use your cursor to select them. Highlighting the desired contacts will set them up for the addition of tags, which is the next step in the process. Now, look towards the top of your screen. Here you'll find an Add Tags button. Clicking this will allow you to input the tags you wish to associate with the selected contacts. Think of tags as labels, a way to sort and categorize your contacts for better management and retrieval later on. Once the Add Tags window is open, type in the tag name you want to apply. It could be anything that makes sense for your contact organization strategy, like leads, clients, or even custom terms like interested party. After typing in your tag, make sure you review it for any typing errors or inconsistencies. Now, it's important to confirm your choice. Double-check that you're adding the tag you intended. Once confirmed, your final step is to click Save. This action will finalize the tagging process, ensuring that your selected contacts are now organized under the new tags. And there you have it, a streamlined way to manage and organize your contacts using tags in Freshsales CRM. Keep practicing this process, and you'll find it becomes second nature in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in maximizing your CRM efficiency.